After a fire, it's not just the building that burns, it's everything inside that tells your story. Hi, I'm Misty with Insurance Claim Recovery Support. And one of the biggest losses owners overlook is its contents, the furniture, fixtures, and equipment that make your property work. Every item has a value, but only if it's documented. Without a detailed inventory, room by room, item by item, the insurer decides what's worth replacing. And guess what? They don't see what you've lost. They see what they can minimize. We help clients build professional inventories, coordinate restoration vendors, and prove replacement costs down to the last lamp and server rack. Because when you treat stuff like it's an afterthought, you're giving away your money. Contact us now. Insurance companies have experts working for them. You should too.